Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to get the language adaptation. This allows you to read the Axum language, to see the screens on their alien technology, and interact with their power plant. Today we're going to be hanging out in front of the research station 1,300 meters away from the life pod directly to the east. You just head straight east until you find that tower, and then you can head straight down to find it. And we're just going to be zipping down all the way to the bottom and following these tentacles directly below the alien tower. And these things are going to lead us to the angel comb that needs us to cleanse it or heal it in order to give us our adaptation. And to complete this angel comb, you're going to need to save 3 juvenile angel combs, one of which is kind of hidden in a really sort of unusual place compared with the rest of the game so far. So the angel comb itself is located directly beneath the alien power generator, and it's going to require us to follow these tentacles to figure out where each of the juvenile angel combs are. So to start out with, I'm going to follow the one that heads back to the west, sort of towards the research base. And to fight this battle, we're going to need the upgraded Sonic Resonator. That is the Feedback Resonator, and the difference is this one uses fancy alien technology to shoot a ball of sonic energy that defeats the armor that is on the flowers for this new and improved angel comb. So going back towards the west, we're going to follow this one, and it kind of forks off to the south here. And this one is hiding just to the east of the power plant, sort of to the southeast. And here's where you can find the first angel comb. I've already cleansed this one, but there's just 2 flowers here. You just have to shoot one that's hiding in the back here and one that's in that little tunnel that we went through. So once you've got that done, I'm going to follow this back to the main tentacle. And then the second angel comb that we have to fix is actually directly beneath the alien tower. It's hiding like literally in the empty rock cavern below there, and the Titan boar tentacles lead us directly to a wall that butts up right underneath of that particular location. So as we get closer here, there's actually a booster ring that is directly in front of the cave we're going to take. It's right here on our right. And I'm just going to slip right in here and use this to jet into the middle of the room. Inside of here are another 2 armored flowers surrounded by some of those little parasitic enemies that just launch right at you and bite you. I really didn't even lose half of my health when doing this initially, so you really probably don't need to worry, but this is literally directly below the alien tower, so you can go through here. One of the flowers was over here in this corner, and then the other flower was in the opposite corner over here, kind of where you can see the remnants of the purple glow. And then when you're done cleansing this area, you're going to want to head back to the primary angel comb. So once you're back at the main angel comb, you're going to want to follow this, and it leads you to the northeast and around the bend into another sort of rock face. And this is where things get slightly confusing, and why I initially thought there must be like a 3rd angel comb somewhere else on the surface. So I looked around this whole area, and it turns out it's actually hiding underneath of some wreckage from a ship. So we're going to follow the big massive tentacle, and as we follow it to the northeast, if you keep going all the way into the acid pools, there's nothing over there. You have to follow the tentacle that winds off to the right here and up into the cliffside. And it just dead ends right here inside of this cliff, which leads me to believe that our next target must be in a hole that is only accessible either from that section off to the left or directly above us from a hole below. What you need to do is you just got to park over here next to this wreckage, and you'll notice that it's actually blocked off by some growths that can only be cleared with the Sonic Resonator. So using the Feedback Resonator, which is the one you have to use, shoots these balls. We're going to go all the way down through this wreckage, and you'll notice there's a massive cavern down here with the Titan boar tentacles hanging out, and there's 2 flowers down here and a bunch of oxygen plants. So if you don't have a lot of oxygen, it's not really a big deal. I'm still using my oxygen tank from the beginning of the game. You can just zip over here with your wake maker, and there's a flower on the top level, and there's a flower on the very bottom, and then the juvenile angel comb is chilling out in the middle. So just shoot both of these. They're pretty easy. And then once you do that, you're done. You've cleansed the Titan boar, and the main angel comb should be available so that you can shoot the remaining couple of flowers in the main area and get your upgrade. So if you follow the tentacle back to the primary angel comb, now you just have to shoot the remaining flowers that are underneath of the power generator. Again, there's only like 2 of them in here, so you just got to find them and shoot them. And the nice thing about the Feedback Resonator is if you shoot them from far enough away, you honestly won't even aggro the little alien parasite dudes. But I ended up with a couple of them giving me a couple little love taps anyway and biting me in the face. So it's still possible, but you can shoot them from a pretty decent distance. Now the last flower is literally just hiding back in the corner. If you follow this tentacle off of the main plant here, it goes literally off into this little crevice over here. And that's the final flower that you need to blow up in order to finish the battle to cleanse this angel comb. So once you destroy that, it'll open back up and you will have accessed the adaptation in order to read and understand the alien screens up in the generator control center. And you'll also be able to see random markings on all of this different technology that allows you to read the alien tech, and there's like labels on stuff like this is the power generator, this is the power turbine, this is the thing that burns the gases that come out of the Titan boar tentacle, which is what this power generation station gathers. You know, it's really just that sort of stuff. And then once you do that, you can turn on the generator and you can go up into the tower and you can reach the end of the early access, or at least this first segment of the early access of Subnautica 2. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. This has been how you get the Alien Axum language adaptation to allow you to read and interact with Axum technology and see everything. And until next time, you know, do the likey, subscribey thing, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.